Title blocks. We can automate drafting documentation. And a great way to do that is with title blocks. Just about every company does it. So here I have a title block, and I'm going to go to my block editor, and I'm going to choose the title and say OK. And you can see that in here I have my title block, and so each one of these things, this is actually just a piece of text. When I zoom in on this word drawn, it's just a piece of text. Now this right here is the actual attribute drawn, and then the prompt is drawn by, and default it shows is 3-letter initials. And then this is the word checked, and then this is the actual attribute. It's called checked, and it's checked by with the 3-letter initials. So we have each one of these things being each one of these things being basically, here we have the little word title in the upper left hand corner, but when I click on this, this is actually the tag called title. And what is the title of the drawing? Question mark or whatever. So this here is our title block all set up, and I'm going to close the block editor, and I'm going to disregard any changes. So when I insert this block into the drawing, it's going to prompt me with some questions, and then all I have to do is double click on it if I want to say company, and I'm going to say Kankakee, right? Community college, let's say, and then I can go with all these different ones drawn by, and I'm going to say it's drawn by JRB, for example, and I can go and fill all these things out, and the date and the size, etc., and who approved it, who had checked it. And so the title is, I'll go with example of title block, okay? And I can hit apply at any time, and you notice I can move these around. So you can see how this stuff is being filled in, and it's put right in the right spot. It has the right text height, it has the right layers, it has everything, all the properties all set up. All you have to do is answer the questions. And that's what's great about title blocks, attributes and title blocks. All you do is answer the questions. And so you don't have to draw all this stuff each time. This is in your template, and all this stuff shows up. All you have to do is put the scale in, the sheet 1 of 6, the drawing number, the revision number, etc. You just answer the questions and it pops it right in there. So automating drafting documentation, title block should be our first step of doing that. It's a common thing we do on every single drawing.